Sora AI has finally been released. This is the most exciting news from OpenAI this year. As per the official announcement on their website, openai.com, Sora AI is now live and ready to revolutionize how we create videos. Whether you're into text-to-video, AI video, or experimenting with the groundbreaking tools in Sora Video AI, this is your moment. Head to Sora.com now to get access. Demand is sky high, so creating an account or logging in might be tricky right now, but don't give up. Sora AI is worth it if you can get a hold of it. So let's see how to use Sora. Alright, so I don't have access just yet because when I saw the news and went to the website, it was already jammed up. But from what we can see in the example provided by OpenAI Sora, it looks absolutely incredible. Let me walk you through the process based on their demo. At the bottom of the screen, there's something called the Composer, and this is where all the magic happens. You type in what you want to see, like in the demo where they create a family of woolly mammoths in an open desert. Before hitting create, you can tweak the settings, add a style preset, change the aspect ratio, increase the resolution, adjust the duration, or even decide how many variations you want from your prompt. There's also a help icon that tells you exactly how many credits your current settings will use. This is what makes Sora Video AI feel so customizable for any creation. So when you're ready, you hit create and the video pops up into your library and starts generating. Once it's finished, you can hover over any of the variations to watch them play through in real time, or you can even use your mouse to scrub through them slowly. I like this feature. Clicking on a video opens it up in a lightbox view where you can use the arrow keys to check out all the variations. Watching these clips, it's clear how OpenAI Sora and Sora's tools push the boundaries of what's possible with AI video and text-to-video. The editing tools are where things really shine though, so you can edit your original prompt or storyboard, recut the clip to trim or extend parts in the timeline, and you can even use the remix tool to change things with natural language. You can blend it together with another video for a fresh twist, or create seamless loops with ease. These features make Sora AI incredibly flexible for creators at any skill level. And once your video looks perfect, you can favorite it, share it, or download it using the quick actions at the top here. And if you need some inspiration, the OpenAI Sora community comes together in the Explore section to share ideas and techniques. It's a space to remix each other's work or learn new ways to use Sora AI for your own projects. And if you want to dive deeper, OpenAI Sora also includes in-depth tutorials in the account menu to walk you through every feature. From start to finish, OpenAI Sora Video is designed to make AI video creation accessible, intuitive, and fun. And from what I can see, Sora AI is a revolutionary tool for anyone interested in using text-to-video technology. I can't wait to get access to OpenAI Sora and start showing you all the amazing things the tool can do. And if you can't get access to OpenAI Sora yet, watch this video next to see the best free AI video generator that's available now. Also subscribe to my channel so you can get more AI updates as they happen. Thanks for supporting me today, and I'll see you in the next video.